ZAYDEN Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide. First time setup, registering your administrator. Enter setup mode. Click star plus hash to enter setup mode. Enter default password. Enter 123456, then press hash to confirm. Adding an admin. Now you hear the system announce your options. Press 1 to access user settings. Press 4 again to add administrator. Register your fingerprint. Now you register your fingerprint at the place in the picture. Create your administrator password. Create 6 to 8 digit administrator password and press hash to confirm. Register IC card. Register IC card or press asterisk to skip. Registration complete. Administrator registration is completed. Perfect. Now you're the master administrator with ID number 01. Accessing the main menu. Alright, now that you registered as administrator, let me show you how to access the main control menu. This is where you'll do everything. Add users, delete users, change settings, connect to Wi-Fi, all of it. Adding users. How to add a user? After accessing the Add User menu again, select option 1, Add Users. Repeat the same process as registering the admin to register a user. Deleting users. How to delete a user? After accessing the main menu again, select option 2. The system immediately processes it. ID deletion successful. Device network connection. Now let's get this log connected to your phone, because this is where things get really powerful. Remote unlocking, activity logs, push notification, the whole smart home experience. Step 1. Getting into the app. Download the Zeone app and log into the app. Add the lock. Enter the details asked on the screen and submit. Choose the lock from the given list. Choose the connection method and continue. Once submitted, the app will start searching for the lock pairing. Step 2. Prepare the lock. From the main menu, select option 3, Device Network Connection. The system has 2 connection methods, hotspot connection, intelligent connection. Press 2 for intelligent connection. The lock will start the pairing. Congratulations, you're connected.